How to delete shortcut call on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete shortcut call on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and then go to chat like this one, and then just click here and click this one, and then all you need to do is just click this one here, delete call, and the shortcut call will be deleted. Just click here and then click delete, and as you see shortcut call has been removed. And that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.